and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review PayPal's savings account. PayPal's savings account is a convenient option for those who want to save money directly through their PayPal account. While it offers competitive interest rates, they may not be as high as those offered by specialized online banks. The account is seamlessly linked to your PayPal account, making transfers and access to your savings simple. A major benefit is its integration with PayPal, allowing you to manage your savings alongside your PayPal transactions. Additionally, it provides FDIC insurance, adding an extra layer of security to your savings. However, the account has some limitations, such as lower interest rates compared to some online savings accounts and fewer features than traditional savings accounts. For those who already use PayPal and prefer a straightforward, low-maintenance savings option, this account offers great convenience. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel.